Hey guys, what is up? My name is Hunter, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to run the best Facebook ads for your photography business. So I did a video before and you guys seemed to really like it. I kind of showed you how to set up your ads and everything. This video I'm just going to kind of critique other people's Facebook ads. I'm not going to get into how to make your ad on Facebook's ad manager. So we're just going to look at other people's ads, you can see how my process is for making a Facebook ad, which ads work, which ads don't. So hopefully you guys gain some really good value from this video. And let's get started here. So you have Facebook ad library here, which you can just search on Google. Type in Facebook ad library, right? Click on that top part there. Click all ads. Type in photography here. Okay. And then it should show you all different types of ads on Facebook ad library that are active for photography, okay? So this video is going to revolve around photography ads like family portraits, weddings, baby pictures, stuff like that. So these top ads here don't apply. I don't know what those are. Looks like they're like national ads for workshops trying to sell someone something on a online thing. But this left ad here, that is exactly what we want. Okay, now I felt like you guys liked the last video, but you want me to be a little bit more in depth on the reasons why I don't like certain ads. So I'm going to try to get real in depth here. First, we'll take a look at the photos. So this is a carousel type of ad. I don't recommend doing these unless you're targeting repeat customers and it's actually kind of an advanced ad strategy. If you're already running Facebook ads and you need more ideas for Facebook ads, I recommend a carousel ad, but I do not really recommend it for just starting out, okay? I just recommend one picture ad for just starting out because they tend to be the easiest ads to run. So take this ad and just do one of these pictures for your ad because that's probably going to work 10 times better for you. And it's almost too much to handle when you have this many photos unless you know what you're doing with the carousel ad, okay? Now this is an Instagram ad. Photography is unique in the way that it targets the younger generation because you're targeting family portraits, baby portraits, stuff like that. So there might be more younger people on Instagram wanting photography done. So I'm not shaming them for running Instagram ads, but for in general, you want to run Facebook messaging ads, okay? But you can try out Instagram if you want to. I recommend not doing it because you tend to waste a lot of money doing that way. Unless you just got a lot of money to spend, I recommend just running paid Facebook messaging campaign ads, okay? That's my personal preference. And then basically in order to save you money, that's why I recommend that. And then the hashtags, that's just an Instagram thing. Usually you don't put hashtags on an ad. It's probably a post that they're running and I already had the hashtags on it for the post. The bride and the groom, the wedding planner, all that stuff there. I usually just say in my ad text, hey, I'm a photographer in the whatever area, city, and nearby areas. I do wedding, baby portraits, family portraits, and then I say at the very end, contact or call or text me at 555-555-5555. Give them your phone number. They can call or text you. It tends to be the method that I choose to do for my ad text. They kind of chose a different method here with putting a quote and then putting the names of the wedding couple and then doing the city and then having the different people that hosted the event. So that's something you can try out. I definitely think that's really cool to put on their Instagram. So I do not shame them for doing that. That's actually a really good idea for Instagram specifically, but this wouldn't be my go-to ad for getting Facebook traffic, but it's definitely something to put in your little notebook and say, hey, I'm going to do that later on and work up to that point if you're not there already. So that's something I would definitely note if I were doing photography full-time. Okay. So let's just go over to this one here. This one looks really, really cute. This is another type of ad. See, their call to action here is send a message. That's a perfect ad, okay? Now the carousel ads I'm not too fond of, so don't always recommend carousel ads, but it's photography, so it's a whole different ball game. So you're showing more photos, which kind of relates to the photography theme. So it might work. You're just gonna have to test 2 different campaigns, see which one does better in your area. I've ran carousel ads before. They do work. I just tend to use them only for repeat targeting ads, but they might work also for newer people. You just have to see what your cost per message is going to be because it varies city by city, okay? And let's just go here. So they got some really nice photos. The photos definitely, you either want a wedding picture, a baby picture, or a family photo, okay? So you kind of want the photo to be kind of, I say don't use stock images for pictures ads, but this type of ad probably should be a stock picture that has the bokeh effect with the blurriness in the background, just because like this is a photography business. If they like the photos that they see and they want pictures like that, they're gonna want to send you a message to get photos similar, okay? So you want to have really good images for these, and you kind of want to make it look really, really clean for these pictures, okay? So it doesn't matter what camera you have, as long as you can make the picture clean with no noise, no grain, it's gonna look good. And then put a little color grading on top of it, and it's definitely gonna pop, okay? Make sure you're either doing rule of thirds, centering the frame, or however you're doing the photo. Just make sure it looks clean, and you're gonna have to test different pictures, okay? But this is definitely a good ad. It does say they are doing $75 for 10-minute sessions. You can do different offers. In my experience, it doesn't matter how much money you're offering. As long as you're showing a clean photo, people like your work, they're going to send you a message. It doesn't matter if you do an offer or not. So people are always like, what's my offer going to be? Am I going to do 3 offers for $100? Or what am I going to do for my offer? I don't know yet. I can't run any ads. You don't have to do any offer, really. You just have to say where you're located, what you do, what's your phone number to contact you, and then people will start sending you messages, okay? So that's kind of a pivot people usually take on. They think they have to do an offer, but they really don't. You can run different offers if you're running out of ad ideas, but you don't have to do an offer in the very beginning, okay? Let me do one more ad here, guys, and then I will end the video. And also, if you guys want access to my starter course for free, down below, just click the link. And I'm also giving away a 15 free minute coaching call. So comment the word free call down below, and I'll send you a link to sign up for a free coaching call too. And then let me just look at one more ad here. If it will let me. It's kind of hard to do it on the screen. So this ad over here, they're running an ad to their website because it says learn more. Don't recommend running ads to your website because you can't contact the person, because if they're clicking on the link, usually you need their contact information to find them. So if you're just never going to find them again, okay? And I've found the cost per conversion to your website is also super, super high. So I just don't recommend running ads to your website. So think on that. I'm going to end the video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. So see you guys.